Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some build hacks. Cause like, why not? Okay, let's be kind of honest. You suck at building and you really want to know how to get better at building. Cause like, you want to get popular and you want your maps to look good like mine. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of those build hacks. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, now let's get into it. Yeah. Is you have this block and this block, you can put it on here, paint this like a greenish color, and then make this a brown. It looks like a tree. Isn't that kind of cool? Looks like a little tree. Maybe do it like that. But here's an example. Don't do it like this. Do it like this. And add grass onto it. Now, I know you want bigger ones, and there is bigger ones, but you can't just stack them on top of each other. It looks very bad. Instead, you can put this on the ground and just boom. Most people don't know this, but I bet most people already know this, but you need help with that. There you go. Some random colors that don't even match. Or does this look better when you actually get it to match? So as you're making like a yellow room, you know, maybe change this color to like this one. And then maybe change this to like that. Does that look better to you? Now I can build like a little cheese house. I don't know. For your like details for ground, don't do like this. Like some like, don't do this for like some ground leading to an area. And then paint them like just brown. Like a Lego brick. Instead, go like this. You might not own this, but you can work to it. Or you can just build them like this, but put grass under it so it doesn't look like this. Build it like this and then paint them all different colors. This looks better than that. So when you're building a zip line, maybe like put it on the ground and then put the connection onto it and then put like a Hank holding something. Yeah, something like this maybe will look better. And then so it's like up. Let's go over there. It would like, so yeah. So as you're making like a whole entire wiring nonsense, make it like kind of like this so it has a little platform. Or you can do this too. So you want it just the same size, you can do that too. But looks like the zip line just extended, which they should make, to be honest. When you're making teleporters, don't put them like this. Well, actually, do put them like that, but depends. Because you want to make like them like kind of like a portal, like another portal. Maybe go like this. So when you're making like this, okay, so say this is my portal, put a bush here. And then as you have the exit portals, make an exit portal. So you don't accidentally go back. So maybe like make it like this, so it's hiding in a bush. Pretend this is like a good bush. And then yeah, you just walk out of the bush. Or maybe just go like this, then put a bush. And then you should like, looks better. Just watch. You walk and you go like into a bush. So you can make like different dimensions. I don't know. My recording kind of crashed. So I didn't explain anything that useful, so don't worry. You didn't miss out on anything. It was just me yapping a lot. Hey, would you rather watch that for 9 minutes or would you rather watch the outro of this? I'll do a part 2 as this video gets famous. And yeah. If you need more help, comment down below. I'll help you. Just tell me to do a second video. I will. Just tell me in the comments. Anyways, you should subscribe. Because I'm trying to get to 1K before Isaac does. Bye-bye.